On more than one occasion, I have said that indigenous people used to make a drink out of lemonade sumac or skunk bush berries, which seems like, oh, wow, that's educational. But it's really not educational because I have never actually made a drink out of uh, lemonade sumac for you. So now I'm going to do it. I hope I succeed in helping us rediscover some lost knowledge. I'm almost too late to harvest these. They're so dry and brittle that if you just kind of grab the berries and just let go, they will fall into the bag. I'm getting a lot of leaves and twigs, gathering them this way, but I don't think it really matters because I'm going to make a decoction out of it anyway. This isn't the kind of berry that you could squeeze to get the juice out of. Rather, it's a berry that you have to get the flavor out of. They didn't only use lemonade sumac, they used whatever type of sumac was available to make this cool, refreshing beverage. We just happen to have skunk bush or lemonade sumac right now. I have to confess, I accidentally made a fermented alcoholic version of this drink from African sumac once, and wasn't my intention. All right, here's my impression from my first ever attempt at making lemonade from sumac. Uh, it was a success. That is definitely, probably the best way to extract the flavor by essentially making it like a decoction. Although I did make it too strong, in my opinion, and that would be kind of in terms like coffee or tea. Some people like it strong, some don't. I would have probably used half the berries and twice the water or something to make it less strong. And also, to make it more of a modern, wussy American drink, the way we drink things now, I would have added sugar or honey, some sweetener during that process to sweeten it up because it's definitely very indigenous. And what I mean by that is if you've ever tried any of the indigenous plants in this area in the desert Southwest, they tend to be very strong, very bitter, very something that you're not really used to. Your palate isn't used to it. So to make yourself less healthy, to make it into a dangerous weapon, add sugar in that process, in the decoction process. 120 milliliters. Now, having added sugar, I'm going to drink it hot, like I'm an Englishman, pinky extended. Now that is much better. Ooh, I like that. This tastes a lot like hot apple cider, believe it or not. This is fantastic.